Tell me if you're okay, go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Let's go in. Let's go in.
There are no male cheerleaders. Male are sweating 3 times than the female. If you want to see male cheerleader with a flanny underarms, so better to use Rexona. Keep your underarms safe all day long.
Hari mga to.
1, 2, 3, go! Galing ka ba?
Wala sila si Panda.